Welcome to the Sunlink streetcar. Sunlink connects you to 5 of Tucson's popular entertainment districts with stops every few blocks on the 3.9-mile loop route. To ride, a valid fare is required. Purchase a ticket at a streetcar stop with cash, credit card, or using the Go Tucson Transit app. As the streetcar approaches, stay behind the bumpy yellow or red pavement markings. If you need the accessibility ramp, wait behind the yellow pavement markings. Those marks indicate the location of the ADA entrance for the streetcar. Make sure you are visible to the operator, since every streetcar does not stop automatically at every station. Wait for the streetcar to come to a complete stop. The doors may not open on their own. If they don't, press the button on the door to open them. To trigger the accessibility ramp, push the blue ADA accessibility button by the door. This ramp is intended only for people with disabilities who cannot step onto the streetcar. Be sure to tap your ticket to the fare validator when boarding. Persons with a mobility device will find designated seating near the door. The Sunlink streetcar does not automatically stop at every station. After you've enjoyed your ride, please signal when you want to exit at a stop. To signal the operator, push the yellow Stop Request button or strip. The blue accessibility button or bar will also signal that you would like to stop and deploy the accessibility ramp. Be sure to take all your personal belongings and cross the street carefully. Thanks for riding Sunlink.